that, I want to introduce a man that I really enjoy listening to. Such a great forward-thinking man. 3.5 years ago, started this company, and we was just very appreciative. Adam, I turn it over to you for what's currently happening.
Hi, Bob. Hello, everyone. Thank you. Thanks for hosting this call. Well, Step by Step has really come a long way in the last 3.5 years. And, at this point, I get people telling me all the time, they call me all the time and say, thank you for this wonderful opportunity. And that's so great to hear. And, really, we're as you know, Bob, we had a conference call about travel, and we're trying to add some. It's not only travel; it's restaurants, it's movie tickets, it's across the board. And it's not really a product as we discussed. We're just going to add it as a benefit to, whoever joins Well Step by Step. They're just going to get it as a free benefit. And so it's not really like we're trying to sell it as our product. It's just our product is actually the email autoresponder and the custom lead capture page, which you could use to market any business. And then we're going to try to add this customer discount package that includes airline and restaurants and just everything. And that'll just be a benefit for joining Well Step by Step. And so that's what we got in the works. We got the customer webpage we're still working on. Now that I got everybody paid, which was late Friday night, very late Friday night, we got everybody paid in 4 days, October 1st through the 4th, for the month of September. And plus I had family visiting, so that was a little bit more of a challenge, but still got it done. And working on the customer webpage, working on the travel. We're going to get a new lead capture page added to the mix, and just a whole bunch of things. But even so, the way that Well Step by Step is right now, except for I have to say our customer page on our homepage website needs a lot of work. But we're doing good. We're doing really good. A lot of compliments coming in about the company, especially the simplicity of it and the $25 customer acquisition bonus, formerly the Fast Start bonus. And things are going really good, as you know, Bob, and people are doing well. The whole point, for those that are new, the whole point of starting Well Step by Step was just to create an opportunity that was very low cost, that had huge commissions, where people could get into profit fast and start a business from home and, make $200 or $300 or $400 or $500 in the beginning, just to start out. You can do that in, like 3 months or something like that. You can get rolling and start building your business. And that was the whole vision of Well Step by Step. I worked at a couple network marketing companies in the past, and plus I kind of made it a habit of, kind of reviewing pay plans, just not necessarily for the fun of it, but just because I wanted to try to find sort of the, the golden mean of pay plans. And so I just really wanted to create a pay plan that people would really, really like. They'd really like it and could get into profit fast. And that's why we have the $7 on level 2. Level 2, $7, it's unheard of. You get 3 people on your first level, that's $9. You get 3 people on your second level, that's $21. And you broke even at that point. And, that's just, that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to help people here, Bob, and help them get into profit, run an honest business. We've been around for 3.5 years, going on 4 years this February. And that's what we're doing. We're here to stay, and we're here to help people and help them make some money. I'll turn it back over to you, Bob.
Thanks a lot. Adam, and I was just reviewing a few moments ago as we were getting ready for the call. I was just looking at the beautiful company website, and I was looking at the mission statement, and I want to read that real quick. It says, the mission of Will Step by Step is to remove all the obstacles that are preventing good, honest people from becoming financially independent. We have removed the barriers of high startup costs and complicated pay plans resulting in low commissions. Will Step by Step is committed to creating all of the products and tools representatives need to achieve their financial dreams. And so what we have to offer for the $30 a month is never static, always improving, just making it amazing. And that's where our customer program is going to come in that you've heard about before. When that website is done, we expect many, many people to want to be distributors in our 3x7 structure so that they can actually market those customer positions, pure customers, the customer website that people won't know about, the distributor section. So when you have a chance to interface with customers with a hugely valuable membership benefit, the company is planning to actually pay you $25 a month for each $30 per month member. All right. At any rate, that's just an amazing additional concept that we have, which keeps us so much in the mix of actually having many customers, keeping us super compliant with everything that we do within this industry. Just a tremendous concept, and watch out for that as it grows. There's other things coming down the pike that are going to blow your socks off. So just stay tuned in. Now, one of the things that we do to really help with the growth is we have the Facebook page, and this is what that looks like. And many people do use Facebook. Some don't. We even have something for the people who don't use Facebook. But what Susan McCook does is that she actually posts who came in and got one of those $25 customer acquisition bonuses. When that person came in, they fell underneath our 3x7 structure, and 7 members receive matrix earnings. And you hear the details of that on that recorded webinar that we do, which is wellstepbystepsales.com. And just a real quick review of that. Adam mentioned when everybody participates in your business and gets 3, or you get 3 by spillover, and the 3-3-3 structure grows, you could actually get up to your $118,000 a year in 7 months if everybody took a month to get their 3. And if you get a builder, just always remember that if you get a builder under you, that builder could fill a large portion of your structure depending upon where they're building from. This could be someone that someone else brought in, not you. And you get the most money when they build from the first level, $3,000. They could bring in to $3,000 for you. Or if they start real low, builders start real low, then they could just bring in $9 a month. Depends on where they start from. It's just a tremendous thought process that we have. And if you didn't sponsor anybody, you didn't bring anybody in, and by spill you happen to get a builder, I mean, you could be looking at hundreds of dollars a month in this system. We are going to have the highest paid organization in the industry, we believe. This is a big payout. And we have many short little videos that people can look at and make comments on. We have a sizzle call. We're working on getting that in Spanish, by the way. Are you on the line, Tim? Tim Conaway? Yes.